One sunny morning, Masha had a brilliant idea. It was a perfect day for a picnic. She ran over to the bear's house full of excitement. Bear! Bear! Let's have a picnic in the forest today! Masha shouted, banging on the door. Bear, who had been enjoying his morning tea, opened the door and looked at her with a smile.
A picnic, Masha? That sounds wonderful. But we need to prepare first.
Of course, Masha said, already running around, gathering things from Bear's house. She pulled out a basket, stuffed it with full of sandwiches, fruit, and juice, then dashed to the forest with Bear, reluctantly following behind. As they walked through the forest, Masha raised her head, picking flowers and laughing. Bear, who liked to take his time, strolled behind, making sure everything was in order. But just as they reached the perfect picnic spot by the river, Masha's mischievous side kicked in. She noticed a big rock near the water and decided it would be fun to play a trick. She ran back to the bear, her face full of mischief. Bear, I think I saw a giant watermelon floating down the river. We have to catch it. Bear, thinking this might be a good idea, agreed and rushed towards the river. Masha, grinning to herself, quickly switched the picnic basket with a big rock covered with a cloth. She then hid behind a tree, giggling. Bear tried to catch the imaginary watermelon, while Masha sneaked back to the picnic area. By the time Bear realized what had happened, Masha was already munching on a sandwich and swinging in a tree. Gotcha! Masha yelled, laughing. Bear, though a bit frustrated, couldn't help but chuckle.
You're quite the trickster, Masha.
Masha grinned mischievously. Bear, we still need to make sure the picnic is perfect. Let's have a race to the best picnic spot. Without waiting for Bear's reply, Masha darted off into the woods, her giggles echoing through the trees. Bear, sighing but smiling, followed her, not about to let her outpace him. Soon they were both running through the forest, jumping over logs and dodging trees until they finally reached a clearing. Masha stopped, panting. Okay, we are here. Now let's eat. Bear and Masha unpacked their picnic, and despite Masha's pranks, they enjoyed their afternoon together. They ate, laughed, and played games until the sun started to set. As they packed up to head home, Bear patted Masha on the head.
Next time, we will make sure there's no rock pretending to be a watermelon.
Masha grinned, her eyes sparkling. Deal, Bear. But next time, maybe we can invite a few more friends like the rabbits or the wolves.
Bear chuckled. We will see about that.
And so, Masha and Bear walked back home, their day filled with laughter, fun, and just the right amount of mischief. Hope you like this drawing and storytelling. Comment which drawing you want to see in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like, share, and comment on my video. Bye. See you with another video.